What's the meaning of compatibly? Compatibly. Compatibly.
Compatibly. Compatibly. The term compatibly refers to the ability of different systems or components to work together without issues or conflicts. It implies that the various parts are designed to be compatible with each other and able to function as a unified whole. Compatibility is essential in ensuring smooth and efficient performance, particularly in complex systems such as software, hardware, or network configurations. When systems or components are compatible, they can work seamlessly and exchange data without errors or disruptions, enhancing productivity and reducing downtime. In short, compatibility is the foundation for a reliable and stable system.